Meaning of gratitude.
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 Gratitude. Gratitude is a feeling of appreciation and thankfulness towards someone or something. It's an emotion that arises when we recognize the good things in our lives and acknowledge them. Expressing gratitude can have a positive impact on our mental health and overall well-being, as it promotes feelings of happiness and contentment. When we practice gratitude, we become more mindful of the present moment, and we develop an attitude of positivity and resilience. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we can cultivate a sense of abundance and fulfillment.